In this video, we will be working on the purpose and use of variables. There are three basic types of variables: integers, floats, and characters. First, we will be learning how to set up integers. Integers are whole numbers that can represent either positive or negative numbers. But remember, integers are not decimals or fractional numbers. To set up an integer, you start by typing int. Following this, you will give the name for the variable. In this case, we will call it example. We also need to give the variable a value, so the computer does not assign it a value that we do not know about. So now it should look like int example equals 55 semicolon. To test if our variable has the value we want, we can use printf, which is explained in another video. But to display the value of a variable, there is a different syntax we must use. In the case of an integer, we use %d, where we want the program to display the value. To specify what that variable we want to display, we put a comma after the closing quotes, followed by the name of the integer.
Floats are similar to integers in that they deal with numerals. However, floats support the use of decimals as well. To set up a float, you follow a similar format to integers, except you use float instead of int. So it should look like float example equals 3.14 semicolon. We will use another printf to verify that the value we assigned is there. We will use %f in the printf where we want to display our float. Floats display 6 decimal places by default. So to change this, we can do %.2f, where the period comes after the percent, and the numeral tells the program how many decimals to display. Characters are different from a float and integer since they deal with letters. To set up a character, you have to create a variable by using char, short for character. You do this the same way you define the other variables, but you must put the character in apostrophes as shown A. Characters are case sensitive. Our statement for characters would look like this: char example equals A. We can test this as well using printf. To display this, we use %c.